One way to add sparkle to your life is with a glitter manicure. If you don't have any glitter nail polish, you can achieve the same effect by applying loose glitter over regular polish. Start by cleaning, trimming, and shaping your nails. Wipe them with nail polish remover to remove old polish, dirt, and oils. Apply a base coat and base color, then wait for them to dry. Apply a second coat of polish to one nail at a time and immediately shake glitter onto the wet polish. Top off the excess glitter and let the polish dry. Repeat the process for each nail. Brush off any excess glitter around the nail beds with a soft brush. Apply 2 layers of clear top coat, allowing the first layer to dry before adding the second. Clean up any nail polish on the skin with nail polish remover. For a gel manicure, clean, trim, and file your nails. Apply a pre-gel primer and a base coat, then let them dry. Next, apply a thin coat of gel polish and cure it under a UV lamp. Apply a second coat of polish and immediately add the glitter over top. Cure the polish before removing any excess glitter. Then add a top coat and cure it as well. Finish by wiping your nails with gel cleanser and filing away any roughness. To create different effects with glitter, use tape to block off part of your nail. Paint a coat of clear polish on the area without tape, and sprinkle loose glitter over it. Let your polish dry before removing the tape to reveal your glittery design.